Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I changed the oil in my 2009 Dyna lowrider. Yes, I did it by myself with a little bit of assistance. Just a little bit. The moral of the story, have the right tools. Off. This is the new filter. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to check my mileage because I don't know my mileage. This step is very important because you want to put the drain plug back in correctly so you don't have any leakage and prevent from having to redo the oil change. So now that we drained the oil, we're going to pour in the new oil, 3 quarts, kind of like 2.5. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Make a funnel. Cause I was gonna buy something. He's like, you don't really need it. I can give you something. Cause we have wasted some oil right there, so.
Let's make a funnel. Check him out.
Let's go make sure that it's not leaking underneath. And it's not. Yay! Make sure you check the dipstick and ensure that the oil is meeting the correct level. And that's how you change the oil in a 2009 Harley-Davidson Dyna lowrider, my friends.